continue my explanation.
The
Okay,
recording is
24.
on, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, can you remember what was my last explanation about?
PKM.
Okay, it's for PKM or for the Student Creativity Program. Yeah, PKM itself here, it will be a chance for you guys to get the funding, yeah, from
Lihat
our
nggak buku kecil hijau warna merah?
Ministry of
Dipakai kayaknya ya.
Education.
Oh, masa di sini nggak ada?
Do you mind try to mute your audio first, please, Putri? Putri? Okay, thank you. So the PKM here, or Student Creativity Program, is one of the program from our Ministry of Education. Yeah, you're going to compete with all the students from all universities that we got in Indonesia. Yeah, and one type of this student creativity program here, you guys can write an article, yeah, a scientific article, yeah, that will get a funding from our government. And then how are you going to write the article? Inshallah, we are going to learn the way that you guys can compete for this PKM. Yeah, that will be the second project, I guess, for this subject. And then another purpose also for this subject here. This subject is one of the subject that you guys need to take, yeah, and then you have to pass this subject, educational research here, before you are going to be able in joining the second internship and then also the next program for your guys completing up uh, study for this English department. Yeah, and then this research also will give you here a chance to compare, yeah, to compare all of your previous mastery, yeah, starting with four skill maybe, yeah, you can conduct a research. It is for speaking, listening, writing, and then also reading. And educational research method, especially here for qualitative and quantitative method, for next week, you guys need to learn at least here the definition and then also the overview about what is it the qualitative research method and then what is it the quantitative research method. Uh, I guess that's all will be the overview of your guys' subject for qualitative and quantitative research method. And then now I want you to please try to ask me about anything related to this subject. Yeah. Since today is our first meeting, so today it will be only about the overview of this subject, and then I'll take all of your guys' question. I'll try to answer it. Come on, you guys may try to give me the question based on our subject today, please. Halifa, maybe you can start mention your friend that want to ask the question, please.
Okay,
Halifa
sir.
in this sort.
Actually, I want to ask you something, sir,
Okay, come on. Okay,
about
starting with Halifa in this sort. Come on. What is it?
PKM.
Yep.
Yeah. since we will need a dosen pembimbing.
Okay, the advisor.
Yeah. Uh, do we need to ask you about it, or can we just ask other lecturer uh, about it, sir, for our project?
Okay, the advisor for student creativity program or PKM here, it is a special case for the lecturer that take the subject here for research method. Yeah, so the one that will give you the approval, the one that will become your advisor here, it will be me. Okay, Halifa Intisar.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that's clear, yeah, because making a proposal to join or to compete in PKM or student creativity program here, it is one of the project, yeah, as the goals or as the purpose for this subject. So I'm the one that will uh, become your advisor, and then also I'm the one that will try to revise and then also giving you the feedback for your article that if you are going to join this PKM thing. Okay, Intisar, Halifa.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next one please. Next one, Ferdian Mulyawan, do you have anything to say about this subject? No. Okay, I'm gonna call it one by one. Then Hairan Nisa Sitapu. Can you hear me? Okay, she's not responding. Elsa Monica, can you hear me? Okay, she's not responding also. Faisal Julianto.
Sir, I want to ask something.
Okay, come on.
Uh, can you please tell me again about this PKM? Because I think I'm not really understand about that because it's my first time I heard that.
Okay. PKM, or it is in English, a student creativity program here. One of the program that held by our Ministry of Education. Yeah, to give a chance for all of the students here from Indonesia to compete, yeah, with several kind of program in PKM. Yeah, the first year about writing article, yeah, and then after that one, it can be also about entrepreneurships, yeah. For example, for article competition here, so Ferdi, you are going to create an article, yeah, scientific article about anything, yeah, related to English language learning. That will be okay, and then you will get the score, yeah, from the Ministry of Education here. If your paper or if your article here it is proper enough to win the article nomination, yeah, and then if your article here selected to be one of the article that will be fully funded, so you will have the money, yeah, you will have the funding to complete your research. And then the other example here for the entrepreneurships, you can give a proposal, yeah, an entrepreneurship kind of proposal here. For example, you're going to start what we call by a business plan, yeah. What kind of business that you're going to run, and then the perspective of the business, yeah. And then if our Ministry of Education think your business here it is a proper kind of business, they will give you a funding also for your business. So there are many types of program in PKM, yeah, in student creativity program, yeah. Those are two examples that I give you guys, yeah. The first here is writing an article competition, and then after that one, the second here is about entrepreneurships. Is that clear enough for you, Ferdion?
Yes, Mister. Thank you.
Okay. Next, please, Hafiz Maulana. Do you have anything to say, Hafiz? No. Anything about this subject? Okay, no, I guess there are many students here that I called and then no one responding. Yeah, okay. Next, Silmi Kappa. Silmi Kappa. Can you hear me, Silmi? Okay, she's not responding. Yeah. Sela Safira. No response. Inayatul Karima. Okay, no response as well. Starting from next week, here, you gotta turn your camera on, yeah? Because today I cannot turn my camera on because I'm using smartphone. Let's hope next week we'll have a better kind of experience, yeah, for the second meeting of this subject. If you guys have no question at all for this subject, I'm gonna assume that you guys fully comprehension about what is it this subject all about. Yeah, is that
Another
clear?
question, sir,
Okay, come on.
about still about PKM. Is it
Okay,
have
what is
to
it?
be a group project or it can be individual too?
As long as I know, it is an individual kind of project. Yeah. So if you want to write an article, so you will be the one that creating the article, and then the lecturer here will be your advisor to give you the revision, to give you the feedback from your article. Yeah.
Okay.
If I'm not mistaken, here from in class 2019, one of your friend already created a business, yeah, or a small, yeah. If I'm not mistaken, it is Faisal, yeah, Faisal Julianto, right? Maybe you can start to think about a business proposal, yeah, and then you can propose that one for the PKM thing. That will be okay. Okay, Halifa, is that clear enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then anyone else? Do you have anything to ask, please? No? Anas Muslih Asidik. Do you have anything to say, Anas? No?
Everything's clear, sir.
Okay, thank you. So all good because today is our first meeting. That should be enough, I guess, for the overview of the subject. One more time, let me repeat it. Yeah, let me repeat it, and then you guys may write it down here. Okay, the name of our subject here is the qualitative and quantitative research method. Yeah, the aim and then the purpose of this research here to give you guys the preparation, yeah, for the next step of your guys study in conducting a research proposal. Yeah, conducting a research proposal, you guys need to learn, you guys need to master what kind of method, what kind of proper method that you are going to use for your research. Yeah, and then we are going to focus inshallah only on two types of method that we can use in research. The first, here it is qualitative research method, and then second one, here it is quantitative research method. And then this subject also will help you guys to create a proposal one more time. Proposal that consists of first chapter, second chapter, and then also third chapter. Yeah. And the final product or the final project for this educational research here, it will be in a form of a complete proposal. Yeah. So we are going to discuss starting from the title of your research, and then after that one, you're going to uh, consult also about your first chapter, second chapter, and then third chapter. So by the end of this semester, you guys will be able to conduct a complete proposal. And then the other one, this qualitative and quantitative research method also will be a bridge for you guys to join what we call by student credibility program or PKM that held by Ministry of Education. You're going to compete with all students from all universities in Indonesia, and then you guys can propose any kind of program that consists in PKM, yeah, writing an article, and then also entrepreneurships, yeah, and then what we call by society program. Yeah, there are many program in PKM that you guys can choose. And then so far here from the previous English department, no one that joining the PKM or student creativity program. I have no idea the reason. Maybe it is because of this pandemic. Yeah, but from class of 2017, there are 3 or 4 of your big sis and then big bro that already joined the program of PKM itself. Yeah. Okay, I guess that's all, guys, for today's meeting. Yeah, for the overview of this subject, qualitative and quantitative research method. Yeah, let's hope for the next week for the second meeting. Yeah, you guys will show yourself here on the camera, and then we'll have a better kind of learning experience. And then after this one, Halifa, who's the one that record this meeting, I want you to compile uh, the first link and then second link, and then send it to my Google Drive. Yeah, and
Okay, sir.
okay, after this one, what kind of subject that you guys have at 10 o'clock? What kind of subject that you guys have?
At 10 we will have
It's a TEFL, sir.
TEFL.
Okay, TEFL. So don't forget to contact your lecturer after this one, and then make sure that you guys ready to join the lesson. What I mean here, ready to join the lesson, you guys already ask the lecturer here, the Zoom that will be created by the lecturer or by you guys, and then after that one, make sure all of your friends are already joining for the lesson. Okay, Silmi, and then Halifa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much one more time for participating for this meeting. And then the last, Wallahul muwaffiq wal hadi ila sabilir rasyad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much,
Next
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Udah. And this.
Absen gimana absen?
Recordnya matiin.